Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Snapchat username and password. So actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Snapchat application, and then here in this interface at the top left click on your profile image button. Here it is. And then in this interface you can see your QR code, your name, and under your name there is your username, so you can copy it or actually remember it if you want. So after that I'm going to show you how to find your password. So actually there is no button to show your password because Snapchat has a high privacy, but you can click on the settings icon at the top right. And then here in this interface, in this list of options, you can click on the password option. And then if you saved your password in your iCloud, you can click on autofill button, and then your password will be automatically entered. So you can actually click on the show button to show your password, and then you can see your password, or then you can click on the continue button and change your password if you want. So, and that's all, and that's how to find your Snapchat username and password. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.